I'm Zizi and I'm here with another fun show for you. Today, we are going to build 3 more items for Mrs. Cow's picnic. A blanket, a book, and a mobile phone. Are you ready? Let's go build! Okay, first we make the mobile phone. As usual, we draw the phone's picture and simplify it. I have black Play-Doh and yellow Play-Doh. And you can use any color you like for your phone instead of yellow. Take the black Play-Doh like me, roll it, squash it flat with your finger, and smooth the edges with your tool. Now, roll the yellow Play-Doh and squash it flat. Put the black Play-Doh you just made on top of the colored Play-Doh, like me. Cut the excess edges with your scissors. Then, use your tool to lift the edges up to create the phone frame. Now, tighten it up with your hand. Okay, now make 2 small circles with black Play-Doh and put them on the back. This is the phone camera. Okay, now it's time to make the picnic blanket. First, I draw the picture and simplify it. Now we take a large piece of white Play-Doh, flatten it like me. Now cut the edges to make it look like a square. Smooth it with your tool. Take pink or red Play-Doh, roll it like me. Now place it on the white Play-Doh like I do, and cut the excess. Repeat this step. Our white Play-Doh is now striped. Now, take the same rolls and place them vertically on the work, like me, so it turns into a checked fabric design. Finally, use a rolling pin over all the Play-Doh pieces to make sure the strips stick together completely. This is the blanket. We also make a small one just like it to put on the basket, as if we have packed the picnic items. Here are both blankets. This has been fun, hasn't it? Now we go to the book. First, we draw its picture and simplify it. Now we take some white Play-Doh, turn it into a rectangle like me. Now take some blue Play-Doh and flatten it with the rolling pin. Now place the white Play-Doh on top, fold the blue Play-Doh over, and cut the excess with scissors. Now, use the tool to score lines on the white area to make the pages of the book. Add these lines on the cover too to make it look more natural. Now we need to make an open book too. We make 2 white rectangles the same size as the previous one and stick them together. Now we flatten the blue Play-Doh with the rolling pin, like before, and put these pieces on top, cutting the excess with scissors to finish the book cover. If you liked this video, please like it, subscribe to me, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next videos. Until the next show, where we are going to build Mrs. Cow herself, goodbye!